In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a bug from GitHub using Cosign. The first thing that you will need is to import your project. I will be working on an open source project, so I have to fork the project that I want to work on. Let's do that. I'm going to be working on Grafana Loki. So the first thing that I want, as I said earlier, is to fork it. Let's do that. Okay, let's return back to Cosign. Cool, and now inside my projects, I'm going to click a new project, and this time I'm going to import it from GitHub. You can also search your repositories, but I can already see it here, so I'm just going to click import. Perfect, let's create a new task. And now I can actually see all the tickets from the GitHub repo that I forked. Click on select a ticket and pick your ticket. Alternative, you could hit slash here and the number of your ticket, and again you would have the same result. But now let's say that I want to work on this one, so I'm going to click it, and as you can see it's already here. I didn't do anything for that. Let's try to solve that bug. Cosign, can you help me fix that bug, please? Check the comments as well, there might be some interesting stuff. Okay, let's fix a couple of things here before we get started. And then I'm simply going to hit enter and let Genie work. After letting Genie work for a few minutes, it says that it can directly update the app.grafana.com from this repository, but it suggested another solution, another workaround. And here you have it. I have opened here my source control, and here is the difference that I notice. This is what I get. So let's try to push that. Why not, right? To do that, you can click on pull request, check the description, the details and everything. If you're happy with it, okay. If you're not, you can click on edit and then make your edits. But let's say that we like this. So the next thing that I'm going to do is simply click on merge PR, and here I'm going to squash and confirm my merge. Let's go back to GitHub. Let's click on contribute and we are pretty much done. Open a new pull request, make the necessary changes, and in the end, click create pull request. That's it. Let us know if you have any questions and we are here to help you.